Good morning student. Today we are going to study about a chapter New Kings and Kingdom. The early medieval period. Time period of early medieval period was 700 to 1200. So we already learnt about introduction. Now in this period we are going to study about political developments. So in this period, many small states established in this country, and they started to fighting with one another. And because of this division of India, the evil effect happened on society, economy, and culture. After that, the development of the country weakened, means development of the country decreased, and many foreigner power, one after the other, they were tempted to occupy this country. They tried to win this country. And they came here and they exploited this country. Among them there were Turk, Mughals, the Portuguese, the Dutch, the English, the French. Now they made their way in the country. Let us see the rise and fall of some of the royal dynasties during this period. So first dynasty was the Gurjara Pratiharaj. So Gurjara Pratiharaj ruled over Avanti in the beginning of 8th century. So this Avanti was the part of southern Rajasthan. This Pratiharaj ruler defeating foreigners, probably the Arabs, and they became famous. Among them, there was the first ruler named Nagabhatta. Nagabhatta was the first great ruler of this dynasty. He even defeated the Arabs of Sindh. Second was Mihir Bhoja or Raja Bhoja. He was the most powerful ruler of this dynasty. He ruled from AD 836 to 885 AD. Under him, the Pratihara Empire reached its greatest extent. He even conquered Kannauj and thus added much to his glory at that time. He was a devotee of Lord Vishnu and he took the title of Adi Varaha. He was succeeded by his son Mahendrapala I. So third ruler was Mahendrapala I. Mahendrapala was a great ruler. During his reign, the Pratihara kingdom stretched from Himalayas in the north, in the Vindhyas in the south, and from Bengal in the east and to Gujarat in the west. The Pratiharas ruled from more than 3 centuries. The weak and incompetent successors of Mahendrapala, however, could not keep a large kingdom intact. Muhammad of Ghazni invaded Kannauj in AD 1018 to 19, and because of this invasion gave a severe blow to this kingdom. So the Mahendrapala's son was not a good ruler, and because of him, Muhammad of Ghazni invaded on Kannauj and he win this state. Next one about Pratiharas. The Pratiharas were patrons of art, craft, and learning. Raja Muncha was a gifted poet, while Raja Bhoja had written many books on various subjects such as medicine, astronomy, grammar, religion, and architecture, etc. The great Sanskrit poet Rajashekhar wrote Kavya Mimamsa, and he honored the court of Mahendrapala first. In tomorrow's period, we will learn about Second Dynasty.